Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs in a pan. First, select a wide, shallow pan, which is ideal for poaching multiple eggs at once. Fill it with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Then, add a small splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain their shape, giving you that perfect, compact poached egg. Next, crack each egg individually into its own small bowl or ramekin. This simple step is crucial because it allows you to gently slide the egg into the water, preventing it from breaking apart. Using fresh eggs is also key, as their whites are firmer and hold together much better during the poaching process. Now, bring your water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. A gentle simmer is important for a tender egg. Carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the simmering water. Cook them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk or a bit longer for a firmer one. Don't overcrowd the pan. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, gently remove them from the water using a slotted spoon. Briefly place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess water. This ensures your plate isn't watery. Serve your perfectly poached eggs immediately on a piece of toast, an English muffin, or as a delightful addition to various other dishes. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.